Hey there, fellow adrenaline junkies. Today, we're going to take a thrilling ride on the Birched R5 Pro, adult folding motorcycle electric bike. This bad boy features a 1000W motor, a 48 volts 20 LE battery, and fat tires for ultimate traction. Imagine cruising at 55 kilometers per hour on this electric bike with its powerful motor and high-capacity battery. But what sets it apart is its folding mechanism, making it easy to transport and store whenever you need to hit the road. I recently took it out for a spin in snowy conditions, and trust me, this bike is a beast. The fat tires provide excellent traction and stability, perfect for navigating through any terrain. And let me tell you, riding an electric bike in snow is an experience like no other. It's just plain fun. Plus, you won't have to worry about starting the bike or maintenance issues since everything is electric. So if you're in the market for an electric bike that can tackle any terrain and make your riding experience unforgettable, consider the Birched R5 Pro, adult folding motorcycle, electric bike. Thanks for joining me on this adventure. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. Until next time, keep those wheels spinning.